That was scary.
Well, you know, I don't know. Where are you going then? Are you here? Are you over there? What are you doing? No indicator on.
No idea.
What are you doing? Where are you going? That way. Right. Okay. A left indicator would have solved that problem. Oh well. Lesson.
Whoa!
Is that the same person that didn't know where they were going?
Yeah.
What a cabbage! Nearly got ya. You f***ing idiot. What the f*** are you doing? What the f***?
You You're going on YouTube tonight. Well done.
Oh, you f***ing twat.
Green for go!
Yes, for go.
Too busy looking at your phone.
Área controlada por média de velocidade.
Got far, didn't you?
Why are you doing 50? try the risky one. That can go on Robin Hood Dash Cams. You missed it. Oh no, he's just playing it right at the end.
Why am I on the roundabout?
No, I was going to get the car.
Go on, you cabbage, merge. You're ahead of me. Oh, maybe you're not ahead of me. What's going on here? Policeman stopping traffic. No, he's not.
Pulled over to tax that one, I think.
Probably tell him off. Someone's having a telling off.
Jesus Christ.
She always says that he's
Whoa,
not a
fella.
He's not a fella or something. And
Not bad. Speedy. Why do people find it so difficult to stick to 30 miles an hour in a 30 mile an hour zone? It baffles me. It's a speed limit. Stick to it. It's not hard.
Big sickening rise in police assaults, so we're really hopeful that the Chancellor will give a period rise to Arnold.
Well done.
Every morning. He just blasted through a red.
Let's see. Oh, you got lucky with the green there, my good man. You were going to get the full trumpet. Ta-da! There's still chance though. Still chance. Yep, well, there you go. Definitely ran that. Prick.
Stupid cyclist, man. Don't f***ing Weinstein. Jesus Christ. My Pringles across the right neck. Might be extreme, but who gives a shit?
No, man, you don't break the Pringles, you mad?
You don't break my limited edition or honey roast ham Pringles.
I'd shoot his child if
I'll
I
kill
break
his
own
dog.
neck.
I'll kill his dog. No, I won't. I'll take his dog, make it love me.
Bus, followed by the Passat bus and the Range Rover bus, all parked in a bus stop. Well done, lads. lovely, lovely. Explain that then. Oh, hello there.
Oh, thank you.
Triumph. No lights? Yeah, don't worry about it, mate. Another one, look. Where's your lights? Cyclists are awful in winter.
Have you heard something quite like this on a bike?
Need it.
Oh no. Oh no.
That's why I waited for you to stop writing.